red pumpkin or squash obsession, so how could I not make a decadent pumpkin bread? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. This one is heavily spiced and oh so goddammit nice. So 220 grams of refined flour. Into that goes about half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Basically, I'm recreating the pumpkin spice. 1 teaspoon of clove powder, 1 teaspoon of soda, that is baking soda, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. This is really heavily spiced, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Now all I'm going to do is give this a good mix and let the color change very subtly. With the dry ingredients well mixed up, it's now time to emulsify all the wet ingredients together. So out here I've got 100 grams or half a cup of superfine sugar or castor sugar. With that goes in about 150 grams of dark brown sugar, or about 1.5 and a little more than a cup. Into this goes 3 whole eggs and half a cup of any regular vegetable oil. Just going to whisk it all up together. In goes 1.5 cup or about 350 grams of red pumpkin puree. All I did was I just cut them into large chunks, stewed them lightly in some regular water, and pureed the entire mix. So you just emulsify the whole thing together. And lastly, because you want a little bit of zing, into this goes 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Emulsify the whole thing together, and now all we're going to do is take the dry ingredients and roughly fold it into the wet. That simple, that easy. In 2 batches they go in, lightly folding it. And lastly, in goes some semi-sweet, beautiful chocolate chips, about 120 grams. Into a grease and lightly dusted mold they go. Lightly enrich this with about 20 grams of salted pumpkin seeds on top. And this goes bang into a preheated oven to bake. At 170 degrees centigrade for just about an hour. Now this one has gone a little bit astray, but that's the beauty about a muffin top. This mushroom topped pumpkin bread is a delight. Just run a skewer to it till it comes out clean. Now you have to cool this down and just go right ahead and enjoy a slice or 2. Any leftover stores in the fridge right up to a week. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A simple final end to my pumpkin obsession. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.